Hello. Alright, so today I'm gonna be shooting with this. We got this guy. You're gonna eat, which I won't use because I'm out of mega balls. Ooh, this guy. And the most powerful and awesome of all. This baby. Alright, so in the last episode I talked about this thing and then I shot Peach and he died. Alright, so we're gonna change that today because I'm gonna be shooting. God. Ah! Hello, bullets. Ah! Come with me. Right now. And things can Alright, so wrong way. I'll just set them. Alright, so first off, we're gonna use the one I didn't mention. This guy. A lot of people haven't gotten this thing yet. It's pretty cool. Now, check this out. I'm really struggling. Ah, there we go. That's for another video when I'm with Blaine. Because then he'll get more views. So. Alright, I have 3 subscribers. And guess what? It's good. Anyway, because 2 of them are Blaine. 1, Blaine, the best friend. Gina Michelin, go check them out. Up here. Wait, I don't know. Somebody find me a recipe, baby. Please. Hi, baby. I don't think their life's come clean. Alright, so Gina Michelin. Go check him out. He is trying to get his own account, but he needs enough subscribers before he does that. So guys, go spam his subscribe button. Spam, 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 spam. Alright, so that's... I don't think you can actually do that. You can only subscribe once. If you do it an odd amount of times, which I'm not sure he did, I'll probably count it afterwards. If it's an odd amount of times, it means you haven't unsubscribed him. But if it's even, it means you subscribe to him. So go do that. Give me a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up on all his videos. He deserves it. And let's get to shooting. So, yeah. First up, we got a cup. Alright. Let me set this up. Alright, so Pikachu, you're in the way. So just move it along. You're a pedestrian. You can walk. Bye, Pikachu. Alright, back to the cup. There we go. Alright, first off, we're going to be shooting dual wield. Alright, let me get that. I still need to get bullets in those things. I just reminded myself, boom, magic. Like, totally. I know magic. I'm so amazing. Yeah. This video is longer than I thought it would be. Too bad. Alright, time to shoot this cup. So, first off, we gotta load. There we go. First off, we got this one. You know what? We should put it together so I don't lose my ammo. You see, not so hard. I can shoot twice before this. Thing is. Yeah, that looks so weird for me. Get out the way. I'm doing a video. I'm shooting a cup. So back off. Alright, this gun first. I'm such a bad aim. I missed the cup. I only have 2 more bullets left. Gavin, go away. You're not cool. And this isn't your channel, so. And I'm never going to give you a shout out because you don't have your own channel. Got him.
Let's get it over with.
Alright, so Gavin thinks he's so cool. He's my younger brother. He's not cool at all. I mean, like, he has nothing in common with me. And I am cool. Comment down below, cool kids. You think I'm cool. Otherwise, you're just lame. Because you don't know what cool is. I'm joking, I'm just a failure. I'm joking again. I'll never admit that. Because I'm a liar. Look at that weak cup. Look at it. Look at it. Closer and closer and closer until it's up. There, that's how we put up cups in my town. It's called Palmer Lake. Literally. I'm in Palmer Lake in Colorado, so I'm not trying to give away my address. Number 44, Vale Circle. And then, please go there. Go there. Don't go there. Alright, so that third one where I said don't go there. Alright, too much coughing, so. I have coughing fever this year. Stay away, plane. Gosh dang it. I just made myself sad again. Alright, so guys, in the future I'm gonna sell merchandise. And I don't know what it'll be. Because it's not the future yet. I don't get back to shooting. Because nobody wants to hear about my pathetic life. Alright, right there. Shoot it. Bam. What? I shot it. It's a devil, senor. Alright, shoot it again. Now I'm just a bad aim. My life hate me so much. And that shot 2 out of time. I wasted my ammo. And it didn't even knock over. I got it with the weaker gun that I had 2 parts to aim with. And I couldn't make it with one that had like a thingy. That let me see closer. Oh yeah, it's a scope. Oh, my life's so pathetic. Alright, time to bring out the to be continued.